Ever wonder why you look exhausted even after a full 8 hours? If you are over 60, those bags under your eyes are not just about a lack of sleep, they are actually a structural shift in your facial anatomy. Today, I am showing you exactly how to deflate, disguise, and diminish those eye bags in under 5 minutes. Let's get straight to why this happens and, more importantly, how we fix it. After 60, the game changes completely. It is not just about simple tiredness anymore. Our skin naturally loses the collagen that acts as a firm structural net for our face, and the skin itself becomes as thin as tissue paper. This loss of density allows the natural fat pads, located behind our eyes, to bulge forward because the skin is no longer strong enough to hold them back. When you combine that with slower lymphatic drainage, which leads to significant fluid retention, you have the perfect recipe for chronic puffiness. But worry not, because we can trick the eye with the first physical solution. The fastest way to physically erase the look of bags is through the power of temperature. Cold acts as a natural vasoconstrictor, which is a professional way of saying it shrinks the blood vessels and forces stagnant fluid to move along through your system. You do not need any expensive or high-tech gadgets for this at all. 2 simple metal spoons kept in the refrigerator or a chilled eye roller work perfectly for this task. Press the back of the cold spoons gently against the puffiness for at least 60 seconds. This process provides an instant and refreshing wake-up call to the skin while helping the swelling go down almost immediately by physically compressing the underlying tissue and reducing the heat that often accompanies inflammation. By cooling the skin, you are effectively telling your body to move that trapped fluid away from the eye area, which results in a much tighter and more contoured appearance before you even touch your makeup bag. It is a simple, old-fashioned remedy that remains one of the most effective tools for mature skin because it addresses the fluid retention without pulling or tugging on your delicate features. Since we have calmed the swelling, we can now focus on how to use light to our advantage. At this stage of life, heavy matte products are usually our worst enemy. They settle into the fine lines we have earned over the years and actually make the entire eye area look much heavier and more tired. Instead of thick concealers that cake up, you should look for a light-reflecting eye cream or a specific brightening pen. These products contain tiny mineral particles that act like microscopic mirrors on the surface of your skin. Instead of the light hitting the puffiness and creating a dark, recessed shadow underneath, these products bounce the light away from the face. This creates a clever optical illusion that tricks the observer's eye into seeing a flat and smooth surface rather than a protruding bag. It effectively blurs the texture and gives the skin a radiant, hydrated finish that looks natural even in harsh daylight. By choosing these luminous formulas, you are working with your skin rather than against it, ensuring you look rested without the heavy makeup feel. Now that we have the right tools, the secret is all in where you actually place them. Most of us were taught back in the day to smear concealer all over the entire under-eye area in a large triangle shape, but that is actually the worst thing you can do for a bag. If you put light-colored makeup directly on top of a protrusion or a puffy area, you just make it stand out and catch even more attention because light colors always bring things forward. The real trick for mature skin is to find the specific valley or the dark shadow that sits right underneath the puffiness. You should apply your concealer only in that one dark line using a very small, precise brush. By brightening the shadow, you bring that recessed area forward to match the level of the puffiness above it. This creates a powerful optical illusion of a perfectly smooth cheek and makes the bag itself seem to vanish into the rest of your face. It is a targeted approach that uses less product while delivering a much more natural and lifted result that does not cake or crease throughout the day. While makeup fixes the day, your sleeping habits determine how you look when you wake up. If you notice that your under-eye bags are much worse in the early morning and then seem to slowly deflate by lunchtime, gravity is almost certainly the main issue you are facing. Fluid naturally pools in the lowest point of your facial tissues while you sleep completely flat throughout the night, which is why you might wake up feeling much puffier and more swollen than when you went to bed the night before. This happens because there is no natural incline to help your circulatory system move that excess moisture away from your thin facial skin. To fix this, you should try adding an extra pillow or using a specialized foam wedge to keep your head slightly elevated above the level of your heart. This simple change in position during your rest hours encourages the excess fluid to drain naturally downward toward your lymph nodes rather than sitting stagnant and heavy under your eyes for 7 or 8 hours. It is honestly one of the simplest and most effective ways to wake up looking refreshed without spending a single dime on expensive products or invasive treatments. By making this small, proactive adjustment to your sleep environment, you are giving your body a massive head start on the lymphatic drainage process. This ensures that you start your day with a smoother, tighter, and more rested appearance right out of the gate, saving you the frustration of waiting half the day for your face to settle. While elevation works wonders, those results only stick if your internal hydration levels are also on point. It sounds completely backwards, but your body actually holds on to extra water when it thinks you are becoming dehydrated. This is basically a survival mechanism where your system clings to every drop of moisture it can find because it is unsure when the next intake will happen. If you skip your water intake throughout the day, your skin begins to look thin, dry, and crepey, which makes those fat pads under the eyes look much more prominent and obvious than they actually are. When the skin is parched, it loses its plumpness and sags directly over those fat deposits, making them the star of the show for all the wrong reasons. At the same time, you should try to carefully watch your sodium intake, especially during the evening hours before you head to bed. Salt acts like a powerful magnet for water retention in the delicate facial tissues, keeping that puffiness locked in place overnight while your body is in a resting state. Making the simple, conscious choice to have a full glass of water before bed and opting for a low-sodium dinner can make a massive and noticeable difference in how tight and smooth your skin looks the following morning. By staying properly hydrated, you are allowing your body to naturally flush out that excess salt and fluid, leading to a much more sculpted and refreshed eye area when you look in the mirror to start your day. It is about creating an internal environment where fluid can flow freely rather than getting trapped in the hollows of your face. To keep these results long-term, we have to treat this delicate area with extra care. The skin located directly under your eyes is officially the thinnest and most delicate skin on your entire body. And once you are over 60, it truly needs to be handled with the same care and precision as fine silk. You must make a conscious effort to stop rubbing your eyes when you are feeling tired or scrubbing with unnecessary force to take off your mascara at the end of a long night. Every single time you pull or tug at that fragile skin, you are accidentally breaking down the very tiny bit of natural elasticity and structural support you have left in that specific area. Over time, this repetitive stretching leads to permanent sagging that no cream can fully fix. You should always use your ring finger to gently dab on your eye creams because it is naturally the weakest finger on your hand and applies the least amount of pressure to the tissue. When you are choosing your products, look for specific formulas that contain caffeine to help with microcirculation and drainage, or peptides that work hard to help reinforce and thicken that thinning skin barrier over time. This gentle, consistent approach ensures you are preserving the integrity of your skin, rather than causing further damage through your daily habits. Taking care of your skin at this stage of life is not about trying to look like you are 20 years old again. It is really about looking in the mirror and seeing the most vibrant, healthy, and refreshed version of the woman you are today. We have certainly earned our stories and the lines that come with them, but we do not have to carry around the heavy, tired look that sometimes comes along with those biological changes. So, which one of these quick fixes are you going to try ASAP? If you found these tips helpful for your skincare journey, you are going to find even more value in this next guide right here.